Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is cleanwithme and this is Easy Bakes with cleanwithme. Thank you so much to all those who are subscribing, those who are sharing the content with others to subscribe, and most importantly those who are trying their recipes at home and tagging me along on their social media platforms to show me how their cakes are coming out or how their recipes are turning out to be. So thank you so much. As I promised, I'll be posting videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. And what I've decided is that for Friday videos, I'll be sharing with you home baking recipes that you can try out. And also for Tuesday videos, I'll be sharing with you anything that is related to baking. So like for instance, this video will be about how I'm going to be cleaning my oven. So I thought it twice to tag you along because I'm trying out new products that are specifically made for cleaning the oven. And so maybe it will be like a review or that. So if it turns out to be well, you can also go and buy them and clean your oven with them. So thank you so much for everyone who's been here since day one and also those who are joining us. Thank you. So I'll be sharing with you the details of the products I'm using, where to get them, the price, and I hope that you're going to stay tuned and let's clean the oven. So I'm just going to position you somewhere. I've already started by cleaning the top. I've cleaned the grills already. As you can see, there's nothing here. So the main focus is the oven, so that's what I'm going to be showing you. So without further ado, let's roll to the video. So guys, the first product that I'm going to be using is this product. It's called Taco Oven Cleaner. Yes, it's called Taco Oven Cleaner. I got this from Carrefour at TRM for around 280 shillings. Yes, so they say that this product will help you in removing oils, fats, caked proteins on the surfaces of ovens and cookers, and also removing stubborn stains, making your cooker and your oven have that original shine that it had once you got it. So this is what I'm going to be cleaning with inside the oven. And then the next product that I'm going to be using, is this product known as Glassoline. Yes, it's made for glass and shiny surfaces. So this I'll be using it to clean the glass of my oven. And I'm going to be showing you how I usually remove this glass, because as you can see, it's like we have two glasses. So there's a way that you can remove them and clean even the inside of the glass. So I'll be going to be showing you that, and this is what I'll be using for cleaning the glass surface. Then I also got these two sponge cloths for cleaning. I think I'll use this one for the inside of the oven and this one for the glass. I also got the same from the same shop, and this one was 40 bob, this one was 60 bob. So as you're getting your cleaning products, you can also get these clothes because they're good for cleaning and also they'll help you. You don't have to like keep on drying the surfaces because the sponge itself will absorb all the water. So these are the two products I'm going to be using for cleaning and the other two. So let me now go straight to cleaning the oven. So the first step, as I said, will be now to clean the inside of the oven. And so what is required by this product is that you have to first of all like preheat your oven. You like make it to be a bit warm. So that's what I'll first do. So I'm going to like preheat it for like 5 minutes at maybe 180 degrees for like 5 minutes. Then once it's warm inside, that's when I'm now going to spray this taco cleaner inside the oven, and then I'll leave it to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll wipe it off. Yes, so let's wait for it to preheat. So it's been like 5 minutes now and I can feel that it's warm. So I'm just going to stop the heating process. It's not like that hot. I can even touch this with my hands. So now what I'll do is that I'll take now this cleaner. I have to put it on, yes. And then I'm going to spray inside. Oh, it's hot. Hi, sorry guys. Well, yeah, it's so choking, so perhaps let me just like wait for it to like not be so hot. The base I think was hotter than the inside, so yo. So like don't spray it immediately, just like give it a bit of time. We just want it to be warm inside, so, or maybe don't spray the bottom part because it has a lot of water, so it has a lot of heat, sorry. So let me just give it some time to like cool off, then I'll spray. Hey, but it's choking. So guys, I've just reread the instructions again, and what they say is that I'm not supposed to spray inside the oven. I'm supposed to spray this solution on a tablecloth, then I'll wipe it on the surfaces of the oven. So please don't spray directly to the oven. You just have to take your cloth and spray it. So I'm just going to be taking this. Yes, so I'll just spray the product here. That's the first part. Also, I don't know if you can see how my fingers look like. I don't know why I didn't read like the instructions very keenly, because they suggest that you can also use rubber gloves. Yes, use the rubber gloves before handling that solution because it's acidic and it might affect your hands. But it's not that serious, but as you can see, yes. So when you're using that product, make sure first of all you have gloves. Number two, make sure that you don't spray directly to the sides of the oven. Just make sure that you spray to your cloth first, then you wipe with it your oven. And also when you're heating your oven, make sure that it's just warm. Don't, because that solution is very conk. Yes. So yeah, I think the inside is done. Now we're going just to clean the glass. So now I'm going to show you how to remove this inner glass that will be left with the outer glass. So on this end here, you have something that you can like press. Once you press, it's easy to remove as so. Then now I have this glass. You're going to lift it well, and also know that when you remove this glass, this other one will be lighter, so it can bounce back. So just lock it, and now I have the glass out. Yes. For staying tuned as I clean my oven and as I try the products, and I think so far so good, just that I didn't know how to use them so well. So for the charcoal cleaner for the inside of the oven, just make sure that you find rubber gloves to use them, and also don't spray directly to the oven. You have to spray to the tablecloth, then wipe with it, as you've seen from the amount of dirt that was there. So you may be thinking that your oven is clean, maybe you're just cleaning, but you need to have like that solution that is specifically made to remove all that grease, all those cake proteins and everything. So I think I'll be using it quite often, and I'll be updating you on more of that. And I hope that my experience will have taught you something that you're going to enjoy as you clean your oven. So make sure that you subscribe, share this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe for new content every Tuesdays and Fridays. So I hope to see you on Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and you've been with me, Leah Moai.